my new baby sister.
My mom was at home. She was with a baby in her tummy. I was so ready to be a big sister.
And then I gave mommy some milk. She was happy.
And it was time to sleep.
Then it was morning, and then my mom called me so that I can eat breakfast.
When late, then after breakfast, I went to play outside.
Then after playing, mom said to wash hands, so I did it.
And when and then I went to my room to play my dolls.
After playing, mom called me to eat dinner.
When it's
Then
then it's time
it was time.
it it when it's time
Then it was time to sleep.
Dad, meow
Yeah.
meow 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 meow.